Garden seeds at Lowe's. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So I'm here at Lowe's and they have their seeds out already. And as you can see, they have a huge selection of seeds over here, from vegetable seeds to herbs and flowers. But over here you have corn, you have tomatoes, you also have different types of corn, different variety of tomatoes, and also cucumbers and pickles and other um, uh, vegetables over here. Like I also have peppers on this side and green beans. So they have a good selection of seeds here. These over here are just regular. They are not the organic ones. On the other side, I think they have the organic ones, but these are the garden seeds that they have. And you can definitely get a good selection. My advice to anybody looking for seeds is that if you're looking for any special seeds that's not easily available, you want to try to get it as early as possible before they run out, because usually by the time it gets to the beginning of the growing season in spring, most of these might not be there, or the variety that you're looking for might not be there. So you want to try to grab it as soon as you can. There are also a couple of other ways you can get it. You can get seeds like this from catalogs, or you can get it from online shops, garden centers. I'll see if I can put a link to some of them in the description below, where you can get a much bigger selection from catalogs and online shops. And hopefully that helps you out. But you can also save your seeds, or get seeds from family and friends, or seed exchange, other Facebook groups that have seeds exchange. So check out other ways that you can get seeds. You can get a variety of seeds. You can also get it from family and friends. You seed exchange with family and friends and be able to save on seeds without buying the seeds. And also try to save seeds throughout the growing period, because you want to make sure that you try to save your seed. That way you're not spending a lot of money on seeds. Over here they have another variety of seeds over here, flowers, herbs, and they have different varieties on this side. And like I said, just make sure that you check the various options and check various things. Some of these seeds, the prices are different because of either the package or quantity inside, and some of them are more expensive if they are organic seeds as opposed to regular non-organic seeds. So on this side you have more herbs, you have more flowers, you have more fruits, tomatoes, and peppers, and different variety of marigold and other flowers here, sunflowers. So like I said, they have a good selection right now, so definitely check it out, and you might be able to get what you need for your garden. And if you plan to start your seeds early, like most people do, start seeds indoors and then transplant outside, you want to try to get your seeds early enough so that way you can start doing that. In some areas they have started planting already, so definitely check them out and see. I have a couple of videos that show you how to start seeds indoors and how to start seeds and grow your seeds, and check out those playlist videos, and hopefully that helps you out. Over here they have a good selection of more vegetables, and you have like beets, you have like spinach and other stuff. You also have some flowers over here, and over here they have green beans and different variety of beans and peppers and stuff that you can definitely check it out. Let me know in the comments below if you started shopping for seeds, or you started gathering your seeds, or if you save your seeds from the previous year, or just let me know how you get your seeds to start the growing season. I'd like to know what I like to know what other people do. So most of the time, I'll say about 95% of my seeds are from what I saved from the previous year or from the previous years. So I only buy maybe a few variety that I don't have, or I don't have enough, or I don't have at all. So let me know in the comments below what percentage of your seeds you save, and how you get your seeds. Over here on the top, they have accessories that you can use for seed starting. These are grow lights. If you're starting seeds indoors, you need grow lights like this to be able to help your seedlings do well and grow indoors. So you definitely make sure that you want to get them. If you grow indoors, you're gonna need grow lights if you don't have one already. So they have this variety over here, but there are a couple of other different varieties that you can also get either at Lowe's, or you can get them online. I'll see if I can put a link to those in the description below, especially the ones that I use that are really good. And the grow lights over here are $46, which is not too bad. Over here, these are heat mats. Most plants, they do well, they do much better if you have a heat mat underneath them to provide some heat, high temperatures. So definitely heat mat is a way to go if you're starting seeds indoors and you want to speed up your germination and increase your successful germination rate. You want to use heat mats like this to help your seedlings, your seeds and your seedlings do well. So over here they have more grow lights on this side. This one is $37. It's a different size grow light that you can use. And also over here they have a window pack herb grow kit that you can use on the windowsill to start growing herbs on your windowsill. Is $9.98. So if you intend to have some growing indoors in your windowsill, also check out my blog and my videos on various ways to start your seeds indoors, or various ways you can start seeds in small containers or recyclable containers, and able to save money doing it. I will put the link to my blog in the description below, so check it out. So okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.